Hello, today we will guide you through how to buy and sell in XM trading. To begin, open XM and make sure you are signed in to your trading area. Once you're on the main dashboard, take a moment to get familiar with the layout on the screen. This helps you move more confidently through the platform, especially if this is your first time placing a trade. Next, look to the left side navigation menu and click on Market. This section is where you can browse available instruments and access the products you can trade. If you ever feel unsure where to go when starting a trade, the market area is usually the best place to begin because it organizes the trading options clearly. Once you are in the market section, select a sample symbol. This means choosing the asset you want to trade, such as a currency pair, commodity, or another available instrument. Be sure to click the symbol you want so you can open its details page. Taking a second here to confirm you picked the correct instrument can help avoid placing an order on the wrong market. After selecting the symbol, move to the top right panel of the screen. Here you'll see the option to either buy or sell. Choose buy if you expect the price to go up, or choose sell if you expect the price to go down. This is the key decision in the process, so it's worth slowing down and confirming your choice before continuing. Once you've chosen either buy or sell, click on Place Order. This action brings you to the stage where your trade setup is being prepared for submission. Before moving forward, it's a good idea to quickly review what appears on the order window so you understand the direction of the trade you're about to enter. Finally, click on Confirm Order. This is the last step that sends your order through the platform. After confirmation, your trade should be submitted and recorded in your account, depending on market conditions and execution. And that's the full process for buying and selling in XM trading. The overall workflow is simple. Open the platform, go to Market, choose a symbol, decide whether to buy or sell, place the order, and then confirm it. As a helpful tip, always review your order details carefully before final confirmation, since even a small mistake can affect your trade. With a little practice, this process becomes much faster and more natural.